Today, we are going to learn how you can convert one metric unit of capacity or mass to another. Metric units of capacity include liters and milliliters, and metric units of mass include kilograms, grams, and milligrams. Louis needs 8 1-liter servings of apple juice. He has 5,000 milliliters of juice. We would like to know, does Louis have enough apple juice? Here is our metric units of capacity and mass. We can see that 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters, and that 1 gram equals 1,000 milligrams. Think of milli as 1,000, that will help you, and also kilo as 1,000. And we have 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. So step 1, you want to find out how many milliliters of apple juice Louis needs. So all we have to do is take 1 liter and convert it into milliliters. And since 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters, 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters. He's going to need 8 of them. So we're going to multiply 8 times 1,000 and we're going to get 8,000. So he needs 8,000 milliliters. Now we're going to compare to see if he has enough. Well, he needs 8,000, and since it is greater than 5,000, he does not have enough apple juice. Let's look at the bottom. Why did you need to convert liters to milliliters? We need to convert liters to milliliters because when you compare, you need to use the same unit. You can't compare liters to milliliters unless you change them both to the same. Just like you can't compare feet to inches unless you change them to both the same. Let's look at another example. How many grams of apples are needed to make 1 liter of apple juice? Well, if we look at grams, 1 gram equals 1,000 milligrams, and 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. So we have here 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams, and on our picture, it says 2 kilograms of apples makes 1 liter of apple juice. So you need to multiply 2 kilograms times 1,000, and you get 2,000 grams. Therefore, 2,000 grams of apples make 1 liter of apple juice. Do you understand? Margot has 8 kilograms of apples. How many liters of apple juice can Margot make? Explain. Well, if we look at our picture right here, if 2 kilograms makes 1 liter, all we have to do is take 8 kilograms and divide it by 2 because 2 kilograms makes 1 liter. So we end up with 4. I'm going to put an L for liters. All right, let's do numbers 2 and 3. 6 grams equals how many milligrams? Well, if we look at our chart, I'm going to highlight in red, 1 gram equals 1,000 milligrams. So all you have to do is multiply by 1,000. So we end up with 6,000. And it wants to know 9 liters equals how many milliliters? Well, if we look at liters, 1 liter is 1,000 milliliters, so just multiply by 1,000, and you get 9,000. In this lesson, basically, all you're going to do is use the conversion chart to convert one unit into another. Please do the problems on the rest of this page and then come see me.